Hey dolls and gents, I'm super excited to be back with you guys today. I am doing a video all about this hair, and I have been loving this hair. Y'all know I'm a sucker for curly hair, but this hair is very nice, wild, and it's very natural looking. And when I say wild, I mean wild in a nice way, like a summer beachy kind of way. So this hair blends very nice with my natural hair. I apply it a little bit behind my hairline. I did put it on a custom unit. This is the BellaDonna Hair Extensions. They're Eurasian curly hair, and I have in 24, 22, 20 inches, plus an 18-inch silk base closure on top. I prefer to wear this hair kind of flipped back and just over a little bit as opposed to with a parting though. So I show you guys how I blend this hair with my natural hair in the video, how I install this unit a little bit behind my hairline. So I hope that you all enjoy it. So I know I look crazy right now, but I'm trying to show you guys how I blend my curly weave with my hair. So I'm going to apply my wig, and this is a custom wig that I created using the lace closure and the hair extensions. So I'm just going to apply it right where the wig cap is. So I have a little bit of my edges left out, and y'all know I'm natural. So I'm just lining up the wig cap with my edges. And the same on this side. So I don't really want a part, so I'm going to take the comb and just kind of get rid of that parting. If you do want a part, you can go ahead and part it where you want, but I don't really want one. Here are my edges. We're going to take care of those first, and I'm going to wet them just a little bit. So I'm using a mixture of water and my leave-in conditioner. I just want to get my hair a little bit damp. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So once I've done that, I'm going to go in with a little bit of gel. And today I'm using my Eco Styler gel and olive oil. And I'm just going to slick down my edges with that. So once I've done that, I'm going to take my Denman brush and just blend my hair with the weave. You can go in with a diffuser and dry your hair, or you can leave it like this and let it air dry. What I definitely recommend is putting down a scarf and letting your head just sit like that for a little while, and then when you take it off, it's gonna look flawless. I'm gonna throw in a scarf and I'll be right back. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes, I would say. That's enough time to have the scarf on your head, so I'm gonna take it off and my hair is gonna be laid underneath, y'all. I promise you. If you're natural, this will work. If you're not natural, and your hair doesn't have any sort of curl pattern, it may or may not work. So I'm just working on getting that parting out and just getting the hair in the shape that I want it. So my hair is a little bit darker than the extensions, but that's okay. It's still a little bit damp in the front, but it's working. I think that this hair looks super natural. I haven't had any issues with it yet. I do experience a little shedding, a little bit of tangling, but that's expected with curly hair. The texture of it is very natural looking. I was expecting it to be super silky since it's Eurasian hair, but that's definitely not the case with this hair. It does have texture to it, and I absolutely love it. I know you guys are gonna let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, so definitely let me know what you think about this hair. I have a ton of coupon codes for you guys, and if you follow us both on Facebook, I will have our links in the description box down below. You will receive a big percentage off of your order, so I'll definitely have all that information in the description box down below for any of you guys who are interested in purchasing this hair. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye.